Welcome back to the ATB channel, guys, and in today's video we're going to be showing you how to change a fuel filter on a BMW E36, and the engine on this one is a 318i manual. So we're going to show you exactly where the fuel filter is and how to remove it, how to replace it, and which way to put it as well. Just so you know, the location of this fuel filter is on the passenger side if you're in the UK, and it's underneath the car. But I'll show you soon where it is. Let's get into it. Right, we are changing a fuel filter on an E36. The way to do this is you have a pipe on this side which is going into the fuel filter, a pipe on this side going out of the fuel filter towards the engine, and then we have a bracket here which has, I believe, two 10mm bolts. I've got a socket in one of them already. I hammer it in. I think, let's just try and focus in on here. I think there might be one on that side as well. Let's have a quick look. Or it might just be a bracket. So yeah, I think it's just one 10mm bolt on this side. This is just a bracket which will lean down, and then this will just release the fuel filter and we'll put a new one in. Right, let's undo this. This is a 6mm Jubilee, so we'll just undo this side. And undo this Jubilee on this side. Right, I've already got a socket in here, so I'm just going to hammer it in because it was a little rusty. Should be enough. Bit of WD-40 on there. And you're going to need a little extension. Stick that there. And then get our ratchet. See if this comes off nice and easy. And it doesn't. So we're going to take this bolt out now. Managed to take this bracket off, but unfortunately I snapped the thread that was there. But anyway, we'll find a solution for that. So to remove this bracket, it literally take that bolt out, and on the other side it just clamps into a little like clip, and that's it. That's the fuel filter loose. Now all I'm going to do is take the pipe out of that side and that side, put the new fuel filter in. Right, I've taken the pipe out of that side, and I'm just going to pull this side off. There we go. And that's petrol all over my mat.
What, petrol all over your hand?
All over my mat. That's right, I got a cloth here. Just hold that here. I did catch a lot of the petrol in here just by tipping this way and into that. And now it's just a reverse process. So we're going to put the new filter on. So with the new filter, you have a few telltale signs on which way it needs to go. So flow needs to be that way, and also it says out on this side. So fuel comes from the back, in this side, out this side, and the flow is towards the engine. Wherever, there we go. Flow is towards the engine. So yeah, it's just a reverse process from this point onwards. Put your pipes in, put your Jubilee clips on, and in my case I'm going to need to find a new way to mount this as the stud is literally snapped off. So yeah, that is a me problem, nothing to do with you guys. Hopefully you don't have that problem, and that's all you have to do. And there you go, that's how you change your fuel filter on your E36 318i. I have a issue where I need to find a way to mount this. Hopefully you don't have this issue, but my stud broke, as I mentioned before, so I'm going to find a way to fix this back together. But yeah, there you go, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you like tips and tricks and how-to videos like this, and be sure to subscribe, share with a friend, and comment below. See you on the next one.